Regular reflection versus diffuse reflection. If the reflection is from a plane surface, it is called as regular reflection, whereas if the reflection is from a rough surface, it is called as irregular or diffuse reflection. Now in this case, we see first diagram. This is M dash mirror. This is the back side of the mirror shown by the slanting oblique lines, and this is the front side of the mirror, which is the reflecting surface of the mirror. Here example of an extended object is taken. The extended object is shown as an arrow with the arrowhead directed upwards. The light rays, which are called as incident rays, which are directed towards the reflecting surface of the mirror, are shown here. This is the direction of the incident rays. The point on which the incident ray falls on the reflecting surface of the mirror is the point of incidence. Now since this is the extended object, there are multiple points which are shown. These are the points of incidences of these incident rays. Now from the point of incidence, a reflected ray goes in opposite direction. The arrow is directed away from the reflecting surface of the mirror. So this is the reflected ray here. Since the object is extended object, we are showing several reflected rays here. So now in this case, the reflection is regular reflection because it is taking place from a smooth surface.